Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Face Unlock not working on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to clean the front camera lens with a microfiber cloth. So I got the cloth right here. Now what are we going to do is we're simply going to put it towards our camera. We're just going to swipe it here. Now make sure that you don't damage your phone while doing it. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go and re-register our face in the settings. So open up the settings, go to Biometrics and Password, and select your face recognition. Here you will need to enter your password, and we're going to click on Delete Facial Data in the Facial Data section. Click on Delete, and now we're going to click here, enter the password, and click. You can enable Raise to Wake. I always have it. We can click on Get Started. Now here we have to put our face. And the setup is now complete. So all we have to do is look into the camera. Now it's ready. We're going to click later here. And as you guys can see, now I can look and it's slide to open. So let's try it again. As you guys can see, now let's not look at it. And as you guys can see, face not recognized. So let's try it again. Let me look. And that's how you guys can easily fix it. Now, if it did not fix your issue, make sure that you have good lighting during the setup and during the use of it. Now, as a last resort, update your software. So scroll down to System and Updates, go to Software Update, and here you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important. And you can also double check, make sure that it says you're up to date here. If you're not, then instead of check for updates, you will see that there's a download and install button. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.